It's sad, very painful, but life goes on.
Naiintindihan daw ni Sian ang sakit na naramdaman ng mga fans sa 12 taon nilang relasyon ng aktres at Eat Showtime host na si Kim Chiu.
That's just the painful part of it. That's just, and sabihin nila na nag-iingay si Sian because may pelikula. No, it really did explain from the bottom of our hearts kung ano talaga ang nangyari, kung hindi na namin kailangan pa isa-isahin kung sino ang nagkulang because diba, it's just like any other relationship. But I do not deserve the false accusations, the lies being spread. I work really hard. We are all working really hard. I'm working so hard, and I don't want to be defined by what happened with my breakup, with my previous relationship. Yes. I don't want to be defined by that. I don't want to be defined by what people are saying about me, these false headlines or kung ano man.
Hindi na itinago ni Sian ang kanyang pagkadismaya, lalo't nakakaapekto na rin daw ito sa mga taong mahal niya.
Sige, ako na po yung tirahin nila, but not my family. Yun po, also just giving a little context is nadadamay na rin kasi yung nanay ko, pati yung lola ko, they're getting personal messages. I'm getting death threats, my mom's getting death threats.
Umabot sa ganon?
Yes, umabot na po sa ganon. That's the gravity of the situation I'm dealing with now. So, ended in good terms. Wala naman talaga siyang, of course, mayroong iyakan, mayroong, we're people, tao kami. We ended in good terms, and of course, we're in time na mabigyan kami ng pagkakataon na magtrabaho ulit. Why not?
Wow. Ganda.
Yes, why not?
But how's your heart now?
It's okay. It's okay.
You look very
Doing
happy.
great. Doing great.
Doing great.
Kailangan laging masaya.